Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add payment method in Shopify. To add a payment method, you have to go to the setting which is on the bottom left side corner. Once you are here, right, you have to go to here in the payment section. Now click on the payment section here. You will see a lot of options. So here first of all choose a provider. I will explain you about the PayPal in just a moment. Now go and click on choose a provider. Now it's depending upon which country you are living in. For example, Stripe is preferred for US, UK and some of the countries, European countries. And for example, if you're living in North America and Asian, so you have to go which is popular in your country. So let's say that I want to go with Stripe. By the way, you can always go for it. For example, Razorpay is pretty popular in India, right? Now once you go and select any of the option, just go and click on here. Now automatically it will just load for a few moments here, and you will be redirected to Stripe website, right? Same way, if you're choosing any another option, for example Razorpay, then you will go to the Razorpay website, and here you have to use your email address and make an account with the Stripe. If you have already an account, then just go and make sure you sign in into this. So once you sign in into this Stripe, automatically it will get connected with the Shopify, right? So it's really easy, and once it's done, it will show here. Now let's go and click on activate PayPal. So for example, same thing, you have to click on activate PayPal and just go and click on activate. Same way, you will get to redirected to PayPal website. Here you have to log in using your PayPal account and just click on next, and your PayPal account will get connected to your Shopify, right? So this is how you can do this. It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.